Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to fix Ghost Touch problem on Google Pixel 10 Pro. Let's begin! So, the Ghost Touch problem is basically when your screen is super sensitive that you almost have a feeling like a ghost is touching it, hence the name. How can we possibly fix that? Well, there are a couple of ways to do that. First of all, let's head into settings, display and touch. Let's scroll down until we'll see touch, and now we can go into touch sensitivity, and we want to make sure that we have increased sensitivity disabled. With that, our sensitivity won't be high, meaning that our phone will not be as sensitive to any kind of touches. I would advise you to tap touch on, but technically you can disable it, and if it will see improvement, you can keep it disabled, but from my experience I find it useful. However, what if your issue is still persisting? Well, luckily for us, we can go back, we can now enter touch diagnostics, and you will notice a very nice, frequent, unintentional touches. Well, that seems like exactly what we're looking for. So, click that, and this will basically get us into the touch diagnostics. We can simply test touch hardware. Now, it's very important to note that we don't want to click anything currently. Let's just wait for the phone to cook up and test. And after a moment, our screen should go back again. And as you can see, our whole touchscreen has now been recalibrated, meaning that everything should now be working fine. However, if it's not, as we can see, we can just reset our phone by clicking that. And we can even have a nice tutorial that we want to press and hold the power button and volume up button, or alternatively, we can expand the control center twice and click power button in the bottom right corner and then hit restart. This should also give an even bigger restart to every single thing on our phone with the touch screen and display screen included. Anyway, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, for watching.